In front of me is Samsung Galaxy A27 and today I would like to show you how you can set up Face Unlock. First of all, launch Settings and scroll to tap on Security and Privacy section. Then click on Lock Screen and enter your current login method. Following that, tap on Face Recognition right under Biometrics. Now, hit Continue. Choose Register. Keep your face in frame and follow all of the instructions from your screen. Wait for 100% mark. Then manage all of those options however you want to, and even add alternative appearance by clicking here. Make sure this switcher next to Face Unlock is blue, because without it you won't be able to unlock your phone using face recognition. Then manage all of those however you like. So when I go back, switch off my screen, turn it back on and look at it. I can see that Face Unlock is working properly. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!